Over 300 global experts demand urgent UN action to halt executions in Iran. May 18, 2026. More than 300 international legal experts, human rights defenders, and Nobel laureates have issued an open letter to UN Secretary-General António Guterres, warning of what they describe as an escalating pattern of executions and potential atrocity crimes in Iran. In their letter, they wrote, "We express grave concern over the accelerating use of the death penalty in Iran as an instrument of political repression." Referring to developments since February 28, 2026, they said, "The Iranian authorities have exploited heightened instability to intensify a coordinated campaign of mass arrests, torture, and state-sanctioned killing, while simultaneously cutting off internet access for the general population." The signatories warned, "The scale of executions has reached levels not seen in nearly 4 decades." They added that since March 19, 2026, dozens of people have been arbitrarily executed, often after proceedings that failed to meet minimum standards of due process. Referring to political prisoners, the letter stated, "At least 8 political prisoners have been executed solely due to affiliation with the People's Mojahedin Organization of Iran, while at least 11 others currently face execution on similar grounds." The experts also cited findings from the Independent International Fact-Finding Mission on Iran, noting, "More than 50,000 protesters have been arrested." On this point, they wrote, "The Prosecutor General declared that all protesters had committed moharebe, a capital offence, while the head of the judiciary instructed judges to show no mercy in protest-related cases." The letter connected current executions to historical crimes, stating, "This wave of executions cannot be separated from Iran's long-standing culture of impunity, rooted in the 1988 massacre." They further noted that the UN Special Rapporteur on Iran concluded in 2024 that these crimes constitute ongoing crimes against humanity and genocide. The signatories declared, "We announce our solidarity with the No to Executions campaign in Iran's prisons and with the No to Rule of Executioners, Yes to a Democratic Republic in Iran campaign." The letter concluded with an appeal to the United Nations. Silence in the face of these atrocities only reinforces impunity. We look to your leadership to ensure that the United Nations acts decisively to prevent further loss of life.